over to a friend of mine's. Got a 32 5 window I'm doing a little work on, and we'll go check him out, some of his stuff, and see if he'll let me film some in his garage. So anyway, we're gonna head on over there, and I'll be back with y'all in just a minute. That's a big camera, isn't it?
Is that what you use?
That's it.
Can you put it in my race car when we?
Yeah, I was gonna get a clamp and do that.
That'd be interesting. I'd
Oh
like
yeah,
to see that.
yeah. All right, here we are. We made it to Woody shop. He declined to be on camera, but that's okay. I'll show you this first. This is this old Skeeter car. Woody, he just turned 71. Yeah, he's still racing. He's raced all his life, and this is his hobby now, is racing this car. I plan on taking the camera with me to where are we going to?
Sonora.
Sonora. Yeah, we're gonna go up Sonora in a couple of weeks and take this car, and I want to clamp my camera on the inside and get some inside footage of him actually driving the car out on the track. All right, let me go in here. He said I could show you his Mr. Haney, and it's 39. This is old 39. You built this car last year? Do what? 2 years ago. He put this car together. It was he bought it as an original car. It still had the flat head in it. And he found another frame, another chassis, built the chassis, put his front suspension, rear end, you put a 8.8. Rear end, he shortened it and put it in there, and built his frame and got everything located, the motor in it. Then he just lifted the body off the frame and put the body over on his new frame and wound up with this. Pretty cool car. 39 Ford. That's standard, right?
Standard.
Yeah. And then you took the motor out of 39.
Motor transmission.
Yeah, he took the motor, transmission, and rear end and put in what he calls Mr. Haney. I think that name suits it well. Yep, got a 32 grill shell. Cool old car. And you found this car sitting in a warehouse, right?
Yeah, it's fine.
In Savannah.
I thought he had it.
Yep. And it's still got the patina just like it was in the warehouse. It's unchopped. It's a cool old car. Got the old flathead transmission. Got the V8 flathead motor. Yep. You got a Vega box on this? Yeah, got a Vega box. And you built this one last year, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Built it last year. It's a cool old ride. Cool ride. Okay, I told y'all we was gonna come over here and work on a 32. And this is his latest project. We went and picked it up about 2 months ago. And I was gonna film us fixing this right here, but kind of got in here and got busy and didn't video it. But you can see what we're doing is putting this little patch in. There was some rust in there, and we cut it out, hospos on the back side, and cleaned it up, fixed up the inner structure. There was a little bit of rust in there. We replaced it and then placed this panel on it. Now we're gonna just leave it like this. So you're gonna take the screws out, go in there and prime everything, and get it ready, and I'll come back and we'll weld that joker in place, and we'll be done with this side. This is a nice body on this car. Probably one of the nicest bodies I've ever seen of a 32. But we got to do this side here. I put a little patch in here where that was rusted in two. I made that, put it in there, and we're going to do the same thing on this side that we did to the other side. And then this body will be in good shape. Good shape. He replaced, the guy he bought it from had taken this floor out, and man, this floor is really nice, and we couldn't figure out why he would take and cut a perfectly good floor out. So he had another floor in here. It was stainless. Yeah, had stainless put back here, and it, wherever he took screws out, it was like a spring. It just popped up. It wasn't formed to the frame like it should be. So heck, he put the original floor back in it. I don't blame him. But this thing's got a, is it a 6-speed or 5-speed? 5-speed. Trim it. It's a real nice car. Yep. But anyway, it's got all the high dollar stuff on it, all the polished stuff. And Woody's kind of a Mr. Haney kind of guy. Yeah. Yep. He'll probably let his wife drive this one. Yep. All right, y'all. I'll end this video here. I know it's short, but you know, like I said, I'm gonna try to add some kind of content, and I'll try to video a little more of this when we do this side, show y'all how we go about it. But it'll be a couple of days, and I'll come back and we'll finish all this stuff up. But anyway, y'all leave me a like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. And it's not all gonna be about cars, but it'll be about me getting my shop ready, getting the area ready to put the shop, and that kind of thing. All right, we'll see y'all later.